Greetings, adventurers. This week on Happy Trail Backpacking, we are going to explore Pattison State Park in Wisconsin. It's about 78 degrees, and we got about a 3.5 mile loop trail to go. So here we are on top of Little Manitou Falls. This is right at the beginning, just off of the parking lot. Not sure, it looks like about maybe 50 feet, 50-foot waterfall. Awesome. Well, our trail continues on down there, along down the river, and then there is more waterfalls along the way. And then it is a lollipop loop, and then we'll come back. Awesome. Okay, so here's the loop. I'm going to be coming back that way. We're going to continue on this way. Alrighty, folks, we got the sun setting behind me, and here we are at Big Manitou Falls. So I guess that was the start of Big Manitou Falls, and here's the rest. Wow. And just this lookout point. Wow. And look at that sky. Absolutely beautiful. Whew. spectacular. Here at the Big Manitou Falls, they have a little plaque about the geology of the area, drinking fountain. Cool old memorials and such. Pattison State Park, established in 1928. Well, that was the end here of the loop, so we are continuing around the other side about 1.5 miles. I think there's some more rapids on the way back. Also here on the other side of the highway from Big Manitou Falls, they have a really nice looking beach area here with picnic tables and a picnic area. It looks like a pretty nice beach. Reached the bridge going across the creek. I'm sorry, I don't know. I think you guys can probably see any of this. Maybe. GoPros aren't very good at picking up low light. But almost back to the car. That was a pretty nice hike. I wasn't expecting these waterfalls to be so big. I did look at pictures of them, but they look smaller in the pictures, so I was fairly impressed. Another thing I liked about this place was they had the main path was kind of wide and crushed gravel. But then they also had a little closer to the creek, there was like a more of a rustic trail that was just earth and had lots of rocks and roots and more rugged. I enjoyed that. I have the option of either one. I used both. I used the rugged one most of the way, and then towards the end I kind of used the crushed gravel one because it's dark and all that. But yeah, this was a kind of a nice place. I was surprised how many people were here. It wasn't super packed, but there was people around. And it's so moist, I can just see it in the air. It's like a mist. Ugh. But I had a good time. Those are beautiful waterfalls, an absolutely gorgeous sunset. Happy trails. I'll see you guys next week, right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.